Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about Learn University Global Scholarship Program. So in the brief description we can see the deadlines here. It's 15th January, 15th February, and it is in Sweden, you can see, and your course will start in August 2024. So in Learn University you can do bachelor's and master's degree. Learn University Global Scholarship Program is selective merit-based scholarship program that recognizes top academic students from outside the European Union, European Economic Area and Switzerland who wishes to apply for bachelor's master's program offered at Learn University. So it is located in Sweden, and you can do here bachelor's and master's degree programs. Citizen of countries outside EU, EEA and Switzerland. Scholarship may cover partial or up to full tuition fee. Please note that scholarships are towards tuition fees only and the living costs are not covered. So this information is very useful if you are looking for how much the coverage of scholarship is. Eligibility to be eligible to apply for scholarship, you meet all of the following criteria. You must be citizen of country from outside EU, EEA and Switzerland, are required to pay a tuition fee. You have applied for bachelor's or master's level studies in regular application round for a minimum of 1 semester of study. Please do not apply if you do not meet the admission requirements at Learn University. If you have selected at Learn University program courses at your first choices at university admissions, if you cannot secure the funding needed to cover living costs are required by the Swedish Migration Board. So they will ask you to provide some evidence of your funding information. So if you can't provide, then it's better that you shouldn't apply for that. Application instruction. The next application period will open in February 2024. To apply for Learn University Global Scholarship, you must first apply for the program or freestanding courses you wish to study at the university using the online national application website. Okay. During the application period 16 October 15 February for studies starting in the autumn semester. Note that a few programs do not open for application until 1 December. Once you have made complete application to a degree program or freestanding courses of at least 30 ECTS credits and paid application fee, you will be able to apply for scholarship at the official website during the scholarship period. So here, this is the official website. We can take a look at their official website and then we will see. So you can take a look here how much is the coverage of the scholarship. So you can see the ranking as well of this university. Eligibility criteria, and please do not apply as we have discussed before. And you can here see when and how to apply. And then you will receive scholarship results. Accept scholarship within the time frame stated in your award letter. Accept your study place at Learn University according to the instructions from the university. Pay the remaining tuition fee installment by date stated in the scholarship offered email from the university. So you can see, you can take a look to these descriptions. And here you can take a look how to apply. You can take a look, like you need to upload your scholarship motivation letter. So here you need to first log in and submit your application, and then here you can see apply for master's program, then click here. How to log into university and select the courses, everything is mentioned here. And if you will have any question related to application procedure, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll respond to your queries. Thank you so much for watching the video. I wish you best of luck. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then you can subscribe to this channel. We daily upload videos related to scholarship. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.